Hi, I'm Natalie from Press Front Party, and I'm going to show you the basics on how to make a balloon garland. You'll need about 10 balloons for each 2 feet of garland you need. I like to have at least 3 colors to work with. And do yourself a favor and get yourself this dual nozzle balloon air pump so you can inflate 2 balloons at the same time and tie them together. That will save you loads of time. Now don't stress about the size of the balloons. Make some big and make some small and just tie them together. We're making an organic garland here. There are no rules, just mix and match the colors and the sizes. And you'll need some fishing line, clear fishing line. And you're going to take 1 balloon pair and tie the string nice and tight. Then place a second balloon pair on top at 90 degrees. I'm going to show you here with a bright orange ribbon. With the string, go over and under one of the top balloons and over and under one of the bottom balloons and then back up. You're making a figure 8 motion to tie the pairs together. I'm going to show you again. I'm going to place another balloon pair at 90 degrees. Here you go. I'm going to go over and under that top white balloon and over and under that bottom white balloon, that figure 8 motion. Take your time and learn this motion, because once you have it down, you just add more balloon pairs until the garland is the length you need it to be. You're going to pull your string somewhat tight in between each balloon pairs, so they stay nice and tight together. You don't want to pull too tight though, it'll just make a big ball of mess. Go ahead and tie your string at the end, and now it's time to hang it. I just use command hooks that I attach to the windows and a little bit more fishing line to hook the garland to the command hooks. This particular garland took 100 balloons to make. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun party decoration DIYs.